It's Memorial Day weekend. Every year at this time, a sacred event takes place in Washington, D.C. called Rolling to Remember. Formerly known as Rolling Thunder, this is a moment where veterans, especially those who served in the Vietnam War, take over the streets of the city on motorcycles. They ride to honor those who we have lost, as well as those still fighting their own personal battles. In this series, we will cheer them on, and also take a look at other related events taking place on the National Mall. The Poppy Wall of Honor, Dogtag Flag, and special atmosphere at the Vietnam Wall await us, as well as a place called Thunder Alley. Let's roll! Hey guys, welcome back to Vigoroso DC, and behind me you can see the Lincoln Memorial. And today is the day before Memorial Day 2025. It is a Sunday. It is May 25th. There is about to be an event called Rolling to Remember. Now, this used to be called Rolling Thunder, where veterans will ride motorcycles. They have a route that they ride around the city, and there are thousands of veterans riding motorcycles through the streets of Washington, D.C., and the whole idea is to raise awareness for veterans issues and to honor veterans who served in the Vietnam War. And this has been going on since 1988. It was called Rolling Thunder for a long time, but a few years ago, for a number of reasons, it was renamed, and now it's called Rolling to Remember. And I just want to give you a rough idea of the route of this ride. So, again, there's the Lincoln Memorial. And to the left, you can't see it, but back there is the Potomac River. And beyond that is Arlington Cemetery, and the Pentagon is back in that direction. So the riders gather early in the morning at about 7 a.m. at the Pentagon, and then they start rolling out at about noon. And they ride up to where Arlington Cemetery is, behind the Lincoln Memorial here. They cross the Memorial Bridge, and then come around this way. They ride up Constitution Avenue, which goes right past the Korean War Veterans Memorial, which is right in front of us beyond those trees there. They go all the way up Constitution. And back there, you can see the Capitol building right in the center of the frame. They turn right over where the Capitol building is, go down that street, make another right beyond these trees over here, which is Independence Avenue, and continue all the way up to right around this area. So it's a very big deal. Thousands of veteran motorcyclists turn up for this event. And Rolling Thunder was the perfect name for it because that's what it was. The sounds of all of those engines are like thunder, and it's just thunder on wheels. But now it's called Rolling to Remember. And part of the reason is to bring a greater emphasis towards veteran mental health issues. But anyway, I am going to show you this event and also other things that are going on in this area. So since the ride passes right through here, and this is also where the memorial is for the Vietnam War, which is right, again, it's right over there. This is a central area for Rolling to Remember. And back in the direction where I'm showing you right now, they have a street called Thunder Alley, which is kind of like a pop-up. I don't know what you'd call it exactly, but it's kind of a central area for them to gather, and there are different tables and booths set up and things for sale, information, all that kind of stuff is back there, and we will take a look at that. And there are some other things set up around here for Memorial Day that usually aren't here. There is a display of dog tags that it's kind of a work of art where it makes an American flag. I'll show you that a little bit later as well. And right in front of us is something called a Poppy Wall, and that's P-O-P-P-Y. I was actually down here yesterday with one of my groups, and one of the adult chaperones on my trip got it confused and thought it was something about puppies, like P-U-P-P-Y. And I was telling her, no, it's poppy with an O, like the flower. So yeah, it's a little confusing for her, I guess, but we did get it worked out. But anyway, I'm going to show you all of this stuff. So just enjoy. Sidecar.